The other approach that is converse to it is the deontology experts. They came forward with certain principles of right and wrong regardless to their consequences. So this is known as deontology approach, and this particular approach over here you will not see that the focus is not more on consequences. So a moral person not only must achieve just results, that is just outcome, or we're just thinking about the end result through that, but also must employ the proper means and acts, and that too with good attention, right? What is basically good attention and what should I do? Immanuel Kant, we'll talk about Immanuel Kant over here. He said that the moral principles could be known as a reason alone. For him, Immanuel Kant, our actions are considered to be moral. When do I consider my actions to be moral? Only and only when they are done, right, out of our sense of duty to be fair and honest. When I am being fair, I am honest with my work, I am honest with my duty. So these philosophies are often disparaged as representing the truth as an absolute rule, even if it leads one to ignore situations in which lying must as well be justified in nature. So this particular is very, opposite to the approach of utilitarian perspective, where they said your outcome is something very important, no matter whatever means you're taking. This is approach that over here we're discussing the Immanuel Kant story, that over here, that whatever my means are, my means has to be truth, my means has to be honest, my means has to be justified. Now let us consider an example of a business. Now, in a business, it is not about choosing between right or wrong, but about choosing between two rights or two obligations. Because law and moralities are somewhat related. But when I say law and morality, please mind it, law and morality are not the same things. So that organizations that follow law do nothing more than clearly look out for their own needs, because they are not looking at the possibilities that their responsibilities to their communities might be morally rather than simply legally dictated. That is what it is, right? Now we are talking in today's time about pollution. Now pollution, when industries was being set up, it might be clear that they are causing pollution, but the situation has become so severe right now. We have inculcated certain kind of things. Corporate social responsibilities are there, and firms have to take care of the amount of pollution they are causing. They are not discharging the amount of waste into rivers. What are they, right? So there will be certain obligations, something that they are deciding by themselves that what is right or wrong.